and welcome back, Honey Buns. Our Friday turned out to be all things filmy, and we wish we were just talking about the movies, from SRK and Salman getting cracking on Pathaan to the Hrithik Roshan versus Kangana Ranaut case resurfacing, Deepika Padukone proving just why she's a queen. All this and more on today's wrap-up of the biggest headlines. It's 2021, but the Hrithik vs Kangana case that started forever ago is going nowhere. Yes, we are back to that again. The actor has been summoned to appear before the Mumbai crime branch at 11 a.m. on Saturday to record his statement in a case he registered against Kangana in 2016 involving those alleged email exchanges. Not one to hold back on words, especially on this case, Kangana dropped a tweet in true Kangana style that read, "दुनिया कहां से कहां पहुंच गई, मगर मेरी सिली एक्स अभी भी वही है उसी मोड़ पे जहां ये वक्त दोबारा लौट के नहीं जाने वाला." Yep, that's what she said. Meanwhile, making headlines for her poise and power was Deepika Padukone. The actress showed us all just why she's a queen when she smiled her way through a rather unpleasant situation. On her way to her car after an evening out, Deepika had to walk through a mob of frenzied fans. In a video, the actress was seen trying to get into her car when a woman tried to pull her handbag. DP didn't make too much of a fuss about it, but calmly made her way to her car with a little help from her bodyguard. Talking about queens and kings, our bees go to the first exclusive photos of Shah Rukh Khan kicking off work on Pathaan with Salman Khan. We all know by now that Sallu will feature in a cameo in the SRK-led flick. But it wasn't only the boys who were having all the fun on the sets. Our cameras also spotted Katrina Kaif at the studios. After doing what we do best, we learned that as YRF is backing both Pathaan and Salman's Tiger 3, they decided to have a puja as Kat and Imran Hashmi were also available. The calls were made and both Katrina and Imran were at the studio on time. So there you have it. It was a double dhamaka of sorts on the film sets. While the rest of us whiled away our time in lockdown, Nick Jonas did the most dreamy thing any girl could ever want. He wrote songs that doubled up as love letters for his wife Priyanka Chopra. As if that didn't earn him major husband points, the star went on to add that several tracks in his upcoming studio album have been dedicated to his wife because it makes her very happy. And finally, we're bringing this update to a close with some filmy news. Just as promised, John Abraham and Imran Hashmi brought back the magic of movies with the release of their action-packed Mumbai Saga trailer. Watching the trailer is all you will need to get the adrenaline pumping and fist punching. Going this March 19th is only 3 Fridays away. If you are in a mood for some mythology and things of the mystic realm, well then, Bahubali writer K.V. Vijayendra Prasad has a surprise for you. He will write the upcoming multilingual film Sita the Incarnation. The film that will release in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada will take the audience on a VFX-filled journey into the time of gods and goddesses. On that note, it's a wrap for this week. See you all on Monday. Bye-bye.